What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. Here we have little Turbo. Want to say hello? He doesn't like being tied up because he likes running around inside of the house, but what we're gonna do today is just give it a quick wash, and that's it for now. It's not too sunny, so it's not too hot, not too sunny. So I'm gonna give it a quick wash, see if it looks any better, which I doubt. And then what I'm gonna try is, the window's still holding up, so that's cool, is to remove this headliner and at least remove it today, and then probably redo it another day. I don't even have the fabric or nothing, but this is starting to bug me because if you drive somewhere, I mean, I haven't driven anywhere but that first test drive, but it's all saggy, or I might just cut it for now and leave it alone. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the car, vacuum it, wash it, and then do this. But stay tuned. FYI, the hood is still not aligned perfect, but it's Sunday, so nobody's shop is open, or at least my buddy's not open. So I'll probably try and take it tomorrow or Monday, or if not Tuesday if I can. And I do have a pressure washer, but by the time I hook it up and everything, I would have been done with this already. It's a little bit of a hassle, and the Civic isn't a very clean car for me to hook up a pressure washer. It's not worth it. The windshield was very, very oily. Quick rinse. Gotta make sure to wash them dishes, Di. Keep the dishes clean. Well, it's not gonna get better than that. So there it is. Main thing that bugged me was the windshield. The windows were super dirty, so I just wanted to I couldn't just clean the windows and not the rest of the car. Might as well give it a little wash. But looks a little better. I'm gonna go ahead and dry it up real quick. I don't know if you guys can see very good, but there's still a lot of watermarks. I'm sure some of it's through the inside, but it's still very, very dirty. I need to figure out how to clean this glass pretty damn good. I don't know. I'm gonna have to Google something up and then go from there. But for the car wash is pretty much it. Almost dry. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the inside next. Forgot I had to, actually before vacuuming, I'm gonna just take off this headliner because it's still gonna make a little bit of a mess. I think I just gotta remove these things, pillars, pretty much, these little handles, whatever, mirror, basic stuff. Let me start seeing what I need and taking it off. I got this removed. Remove the rear view mirror. These are the tools I'm using. It's just like a Phillips, little pin, and some sort of panel remover. Makes things way easier. It should be. Just gotta remove this light and then probably loosen up the panels in the back, and pretty much it. So it's pretty loose already. Got most of it. All the panels loosened up. I think I just gotta remove these little buttons in here, and my idea is to, since it's already all loose from the front, is slide it forward, unhook it from the little trim right there, and then slide it out the back. But I mean, wasn't that hard. Let's give that a try. Success. Man, took me like 20 minutes. This thing was blocking. I couldn't see some of the bolts or some of the clips because this will get in the way. I would think I would be done, and then I will yank it and then realize there's one right here, but it wasn't that bad. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave that out. I'm gonna order fabric on online or Amazon or somewhere. It's all bare. Should I leave it bare? Would it look cool? Oh, nah, it'll probably get super hot. It'll be like a tin can. It's already a microwave, so. But probably leave it out for now until I get the fabric, and then what I'm gonna do now is just vacuum because it did make a little bit of a mess. So let's go ahead and do that next. So since I'm already here, I'm gonna just remove. I tried taking off this cup holder, but I think it's a one piece. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna just remove the whole tray and pull it out and just clean it up, wash it up. Super gunky in here, I don't like that. So an extra 5-10 minutes for me to clean this. It's not much more. I'd rather knock it out while I'm cleaning the car right now. But yep, got this out thinking they would all come out together. Nope, this is all loose too. I think I'm gonna just take it out too, wash it up, vacuum that, and definitely something happened right here. You can see all the melted plastic. Turbo, damn turbo. Something definitely happened. I'm gonna try and get new mats. That should be easy, but let's go ahead and continue removing this. There it is, it's out. I am gonna vacuum all this before I put it back together. Looks pretty cool without anything here. I mean, looks cool, but looks ugly because of this. But anyways, let's wash this up. Throw it back in there, clean it up. So everything is pretty much clean. All these things are drying up much better. But before I put it back in here, I see everything's vacuumed. Before I put it in here, I'm gonna just get a quick lunch break because I'm starving. Back from lunch, and let's start throwing everything back in there. Ooh, only if it was that easy. So everything's back together, nice and clean, much better. Headliner will be in sometime this week. I gotta go buy the fabric, like I said. Door panel, either go to the junkyard or order it. I'm gonna see if I could order it. But yeah, this is pretty much gonna wrap up the video. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe.